Hi everyone, in this course we will learn about Python. And in the first tutorial, we will learn what is Python and how to install Python. So what is Python? Python is a powerful programming language and it is a high level programming language. It means that you can do a lot of things with just one line of code. And Python, you can run it everywhere. For example, in Windows or Linux and other operating system. And also Python is easy to learn, which I will show in this course. So for whom is Python useful? So you can use Python almost in all aspect of life, for example, for arts, for business, education, engineering, government, for scientific works, or for software development. And in reality, Python is the most popular programming languages in 2024. And many big companies use Python. For example, Google uses Python for YouTube, Microsoft uses Python for Skype, LinkedIn, and GitHub, and also Facebook, Amazon, and Apple also use Python. And how to install Python? There are different ways, but I would recommend installing Anaconda because Anaconda is a powerful tool for managing Python packages and working environment, which I will show in some of the tutorials in this course. And when you install Anaconda, Python will be automatically installed, and also the Spyder, which is used for editing the code, executing the Python code, and much more. And also other tools will be installed along with Anaconda. So many useful tools in one place. So just need to install Anaconda. So let's go to the Anaconda website. So here is the anaconda.com and you just click to free download and input your email address here. For example, my email address and submit. And then select the one that fit your operating system. For example, I'm using Windows. I just click here and download. And I already downloaded. So here, now I just need to click to Anaconda software and then next and next, just me next. I will install in this folder next. And here, I just tick the first and the third box. So, and then you click install, show details. It's relatively fast. Okay, installation was completed. And next, next. So I will launch later. Don't click this, finish. So if you go to the list of install program here, you will see Anaconda and Anaconda Navigator, PowerShell prompt, and also Spyder, which is used for editing, writing Python code, executing Python code, and much more. So let's start with, for example, Anaconda PowerShell prompt. And let's see the list of install Python packages. You pip list, enter. And you see here there are many packages were installed along with Anaconda it already. Yeah. And if you want to use Python, you can also use in this console application. For example, just type Python and you will see that here we are having Python 3.12.4 and you can type the command in here x equals 3 and x plus 2. But I would not suggest working in this environment because when we want to save the script or write a long script, it's not useful. So let's turn it off and we're working with Spyder. And here my Spyder user interface. So this is the place where you can write your script in here. For example, x equals 3 and x plus 2. So when you want to execute a script, you just select, for example, I execute 2 lines in here, and you type F9, and the executed script will appear in here, and the result will be shown in the console window in here. You see x equal 3 and x plus 2 is 5. And this is the upper window here is showing the variable. For example, if you plotting something, click here and it will be showed in this window as well. So if you want to write a very long script and then you can save it to work later, yeah, you can save it somewhere as you like with any name as you like. And you can also adjust some setting, for example, appearance and others. Here you can select the appearance, yeah, the style as you like, and also your working directory. So which the default directory you want to work with. For example, this is my default directory and editors, and click OK. And one more thing is about Anaconda itself. Anaconda Navigator, you can open. And here's my Anaconda home tab. You will see some applications that were installed along with Anaconda. For example, PyCharm, Anaconda AI. And if you click to environments, you will see list of all installed packages as we previously seen before. And in learning in here, you can learn online. You click to the one that you're interested in. For example, learning about Python, Python tutorial, Python preferences, Anaconda, Pandas, NumPy. And for if you have questions, so you can go to Anaconda community and ask question or Stack Overflow and so on. And thanks for your interest in this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get update about the latest videos.